Well, the latest technology shows that the coming week is going to be changeable, as well as often windy and wet at times. And it's going to be mild to start off the week, but as we go towards the tail end, we are going to see a mini cold snap like we have done over the last couple of days. But at the moment, we're seeing some mild air coming into the far northwest. That is bringing some thicker cloud and also some outbreaks of rain. Now, as I've mentioned, we're going to see some milder air, so no frost for the first few nights of the week. But during Thursday night, some frost in the far north and then widespread across the country on Friday night. Well, at the moment, the cold air we saw this morning was ahead of this warm front. This is the front that's now bringing in the mild air, the thicker cloud and some outbreaks of rain. And that whole system is going to sweep across the country tonight and again tomorrow. It is going to pose some problems though. The heavy rain and also the thaw of the lying snow is going to give us some localised flooding in Scotland and northern England. So this afternoon then we see that thicker cloud with the rain pushing its way eastwards, giving us some snow over the Scottish mountains. And we are going to see quite a cold afternoon in the east, but much milder in the west. So this evening and tonight, that mild air, the cloud and the strong winds and the rain sweeping across the country, and a very mild end to the night, temperatures no lower than 8 or 9 Celsius. Tomorrow morning though, we see a lot of thick cloud with the rain over many parts of the country, but brighter weather with some showers in the northwest will slowly push in to many parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but it will be windy with temperatures still into double figures for many of us. On Tuesday, a broad run of west to northwest winds, but then on Wednesday, watch out for this area of low pressure, again bringing some wet and windy weather for the middle part of the week. So on Tuesday, the rain clearing away from the south, sunshine and showers for many, some of the showers heavy and quite prolonged in the north and the west, and quite a chilly day. But then on Wednesday, we see that wet and windy weather sweeping in from the Atlantic and temperatures around 7 to 9. On Thursday, we have this little troublesome low coming in from the northwest, and that's going to be the bringer of those cold winds coming in from the north or west. And we'll start to see on Friday a little ridge of high pressure building. But on Thursday we see the rain clearing away from the south, and then we'll see much colder weather, particularly over Scotland. Winds in from the north bringing a lot of wintry showers and temperatures at best around 6 to 7 Celsius. And then on Friday the rain clearing away from the south, a lot of cloud elsewhere but some brighter weather too. Bye bye for now. Pretty